Hello loves, this is Live Right Now. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with a collab hosted by the beautiful Sharon She So Fabulous. It is an interior decorator collab, which consists of you explaining a room that you decorated as if you are a professional interior decorator. If you want to know how I came up with all of my ideas, you know what you got to do? Keep watching. Hopefully you noticed in the beginning of the video, I show different styles of decorating. That is the first step of deciding how you want to design the room that you are decorating. And the style that we're going with is Old Hollywood Glam, which consists of dripping crystals, mirrored furniture, patterned wallpaper, glitz, sequins, and metallics, textures like silk, satins, faux fur, grand accents with your lighting like a chandelier and beautiful grand candle holders, and also tufted furniture. Okay, first we're going to start off with this beautiful tufted purple chair. And as you can see, it has a damask print in the chair. And on top of it, I have a beautiful blush mirror. This was a DIY. I painted it and added the bling wrap to this mirror. And I like to decorate in sections, making sure that I stay consistent with the theme that I'm going with. So you will see in each area of the room, I made sure to have my sequin, my metallics, my glitz and glam, and my faux fur, or an equivalent soft fabric. All the mirrored furniture that I have in here, it already was silver. I just added bling wrap and changed all the knobs. And now I'm showing the view on the way to the back part of the room. And as you can see, I had a damask print runner in the floor. Always keeping in mind of trying to add, again, the pattern, the metallic, the sequence, the soft textures throughout the whole room so that it's consistent, so it's not too much, just little touches of it. And then here on this desk, I have, of course, I have the glitz and the glam with the furniture, and also the mirror furniture, the tissue holder, the metallic pink candle holders, the metallic mask, and adding the softness with the flowers on the snack table. And then here on this leather CT, I think I want to do something else to it. I haven't decided yet. But again, we have the damask print on the curtains. We also have the satin touch metallics in the curtains as well. And on this blush leather CT, I have the bling inside the buttonholes. It's not permanent yet. I'm trying to decide exactly how I want to change those out. We also have the faux fur. We have the sequin and the soft touch of the fabric. And I'm also mixing the metals with the candle holders, the trays that you see around. We also have the wallpaper. There also is the metallic, but it also has the damask print. Okay, and now we're about to get into the coup de grace with this bed. The princess bed with my crystal canopy and my soft blush faux fur pillows with the touch of purple that was around the whole room for the rich color, and the faux fur throw and a sequined blanket that I have at the bottom. And I also added this breakfast tray just for an element of design. And of course, the beautiful chandelier, the damask decor art that I have behind the bed and also on the walls towards the closet. Another tip to give a different feel to your room is I took the door off the closet, and it's a walk-in closet, so it made it seem even bigger in an extension of the bedroom. And I have my thigh highs, my regular boots and shoes, and any overflow of makeup that I don't want to keep on the vanity during the day. I have them stored in this area. A full length mirror so you can see to get dressed in the morning. And sayings to keep you motivated, because I wanted it to be a walk-in closet but also have a boutique feel, and I think I've achieved that. And again, that the mask curtain covers up the radiator that is back there in extra storage. I'm absolutely in love with this closet. I call this area, well, actually, the whole place, my Princess Palace, because when I come home every day, I want to feel like I'm coming home to a retreat. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I'm constantly changing things and moving things around because I think it really adds a different touch to be able to go back and revamp or redo a certain area so I can make it more simplistic and more functional for the space that I am designing. And I want to thank Sharon She So Fabulous so much for doing this collab, because she absolutely took me out of my comfort zone doing this video. I love my place. However, it can be a challenge sometimes to let people into your private space. So I really hope that everyone enjoyed this video. And I love you guys. And as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.